triple Ayers, welcome back to our family's channel. To our 119 subscribers, thank you so much for the support. Please continue to watch and like our tutorial videos. And to those who hasn't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel now, because you will learn a lot of helpful tutorials here in this channel. Thank you in advance. So let's go straight to the point now. Today I'm going to share with you a very helpful farming trick for Buzzbreak. So again, Buzzbreak is a mobile phone application that earns real cash, the one that I shared with you in my previous vlog. So in this video I will show you how to farm in Buzzbreak using a very helpful phone application. So by the help of this awesome application, you will be able to scroll down and click on the articles, and of course earn 300 points per article without you clicking it. So basically you can sleep or do any household chores or any other work while this application is running on your phone and earning points on your behalf. Sounds good. So if you haven't watched, before that, the app that I'm talking about here is no other than Click Assistant, this one. Click Assistant. So before anything else, by the way, please use this code, my Buzzbreak code, if you are new to Buzzbreak, so that you can earn automatic points. This one, B13673125. Again, B13673125. Enter this on your Buzzbreak app. So the benefits that you will receive if you use this code is that you will receive automatic points, so that you can easily or withdraw in Buzzbreak faster, cash out faster. So of course they will offer you huge amount of points for first time users. So again, please don't forget to use my referral code, which is B13673125. Alright, so by the way, if you haven't watched my previous video, I explained there that Buzzbreak is a mobile app where you can read news, funny memes, and many more. They are also giving you gifts which can be converted into money. So when you click on the gifts button, I'll show you. On the right side, part of Buzzbreak Home, you will receive 150 points every 30 seconds. This one. So if you click on that, just like that, you received 150 points, and that will refresh every 30 seconds, guys. Let's go back to Click Assistant. So the first thing that you should do is to download the application. Go to your Play Store. So download and install the app on your phone. Just search Click Assistant, just like that. Click Assistant. That one I already downloaded this, that's why it shows open. So search Click Assistant in Play Store and it will be shown at the top directly. After downloading it, just open the app and click Start Service. There is the Start Service button. If you want to adjust interval time, cycle times, these, you can do so, like whatever you want, alright, to adjust it. So just open the app and click Start Service. Open your Buzzbreak app. So just click Start Service. Open your Buzzbreak app and set the pointers and scrollers to where they should be. Say for example that. And then this one is for you to scroll. The longer this one is, the faster the scroll down will be. The shorter it will be, of course the slower the scroll down will be. So you do that and you set a pointer. Hold on. Maybe here. And let's try. Just click play. Hold on. It's quite slow. Let's adjust it. And then play. It clicks automatically. So there, you just need to adjust it. Trial and error is a must so that it won't click on anything like this. Delay time before performing the next action. Let's try 300. Let's try again. Trial and error until you will be able to see. Oh, it's almost there. Let's try. Go back. Let's click on a new. Let's try again. Oh my god, it clicked right away. Let's try again. It really automatically clicks. just trial and error until you will be able to So there, you just need to do trial and error for you to be able to get the scrollers and the pointers right. It's quite difficult, but it will all be worth it. So I'll show you my payment proof again. Just to show you that this app is, Buzzbreak is really paying me. Here is my wallet. Let's just close the Click Assistant. Right now I have 6.52. My total cash out is 15.34. And history. There. I still have one pending. That's why I can't cash out the rest. Alright. So please do let me know in the comment section if you have withdrawn your points and how much have you received. And again, use this code. This one. B13673125 to earn additional points. So comment also if you have used the referral code and let me know how many points you have received so we can help other buzz breakers. Stay safe, triple A'ers, and have a great day.